I am more than this body you tried to define. I am more than the image that you draw inside of your mind. I am wisdom and chaos. I am a soul unconfined. I owe you nothing. This is my.
Why didn't let me see you go? Take off all your makeup into the clothes. Trust me, why don't you just trust me? You're the only person anymore. You're not the character. What we see was within. When you showed it all that you know. I never did it. The only thing you're missing was some takeover that you know. Trust you, why don't I just trust you? I just wanna use you. Now I know. I am more than my body.
I am not your reflection of worth. I am not your definition of enough. I am more. More than this body. More than this face. More than the names that you gave me before you even knew my name.
Let's hear it for God.